Hello class, my name is Andrew Finney and I'll be talking about blended learning. What is blended learning? Blended learning has many definitions ranging from very broad topics and also to highly specific definitions. The definition defined by Horn and Staker is as follows. Blended learning is any time a student learns, at least in part, at a supervised brick and mortar location away from home and at least in part through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, and pace. Blended learning is on a spectrum. Some of the models of blended learning are face-to-face driver, which is where the teacher delivers most of the content face-to-face while using online learning to supplement some of the material. Flex, which mainly focuses on an online platform to deliver material while teacher plays a more supportive role as needed. And lastly, the online driver. This also uses an online platform with the teacher also giving the lessons. Students work remotely with an optional ability to have face-to-face checkups. So why should we make use of blended learning in the classroom? It offers flexibility for instructors and for students. Without needing to meet at specific times, students are able to fit education in their busy schedules. Not everyone will need an instructor's help on a given lesson, so this allows instructors the flexibility to focus on individual students that may be having more difficulties learning the subject. Blended learning helps facilitate communication. There are many platforms available for students to chat back and forth with each other as they study. For example, Canvas has a great mailing system that helps students stay in touch with their classmates and the instructor. And lastly, it can help save money for students, as studies show a blended learning education tends to cost less per student than a typical brick and mortar school. Like the authors of Using Blended Learning Evidence-Based Practices, I also feel that the blended learning is the way of the future. This book was written pre-COVID, and I think that our current experiences with online learning in the COVID-19 environment gives further proof that a blended style of learning is going to increase in popularity further. This Education 131 class could be considered an online driver form of blended learning. And I think the experience has shown me the pros that blended learning brings to the classroom environment. I'm able to do the readings on my own time after work. I'm able to watch the instructor's lessons on my own time and repeat them as needed. I've had meetings with the instructor via Zoom as well. Being able to read the instructor's feedback and listen to the feedback of my peers has also helped me get better at creating presentations for the class. Thank you for watching and have a great day.